To access free topic sheets, worksheets, or to book an online class, visit ilearneasy.co.uk. A conjunction is a word that links other words, phrases, and clauses together. So a conjunction is a linking word. By linking different parts of sentences, conjunctions allow us to formulate longer and complex sentences. Some examples of conjunctions are and, but, so, or, for, although, because, as, etc. An example of a conjunction linking words is I like to eat fish and chips. The conjunction in this sentence is and. It links the words fish and chips. An example of a conjunction linking phrases is we will either go to the park or to the cinema. The conjunction in this sentence is or. It links the phrases to the park and to the cinema. An example of a conjunction linking clauses is I knocked on Tina's door, but she wasn't home. The conjunction in this sentence is but. It links the clauses I knocked on Tina's door and she wasn't home. There are three types of conjunctions: coordinating conjunctions, subordinating conjunctions, and correlative conjunctions. Each type of conjunction is used differently. Correlative conjunctions are pairs of conjunctions that work together. Some examples of correlative conjunctions are either or, neither nor, both and, rather than, whether or, so, that, and many more. For example, he shouted as loud as he could. The correlative conjunctions in this sentence are as. I completed both my science homework and my English homework. The correlative conjunctions are both and.